All right, guys, today I'm doing stuff with Dylan. We got this 2013 Dodge Journey. We're going to be putting a solenoid pack in it, basically as a diagnostic test. I just got done building the tranny, and now when you put it in drive, it kills the engine. I already know this solenoid pack is not going to fix the problem. Watch till the end. I'll tell you what the issue was. It's just the easiest test, so that's why I'm going to try it. I'm going to do the solenoid pack on this 2013 Dodge Journey. First thing I'm going to do is get this air box out of the way. I unplugged the sensor. It undid that. Slide that off there. I undid this bolt. It's either 10 or an 8, whatever size it is. Take it out. I'm just going to pop that air box up out of there. Just like that. Light wants to get in the way. You want to do this hard before I do this? Make sure I know what it has. What's going on coming in. Alright, that's alright, guys. Got the air box out of the way. And now I'm going to take this speed sensor out. It's 1 inch. And then I'm going to try to get this solenoid back off the front of the tranny. So, that's where I'm starting.
I didn't know. I always grab my biggest one at 25.
So, I just learned it's also 25 millimeter. I didn't know that. Learn something every day. Even if you're not trying to.
Bring a little oil come out, Dylan. Don't worry about it.
Okay. I'm glad, because I wasn't. That bolt will come out if you don't take the speed sensor out. I have changed these without removing that speed sensor. But it's not easy. This one kills the motor when you put it in drive. I just built the tranny, hoping this is the problem. If it's not, I'll show you an update video. There's one more right up against the bell housing. I don't know if the angle is good for you to see it, but I can't really hold my camera, so you'll see it. Alright, you guys are going to lose a little bit of fluid. I can't just not worry about it. Just stick a drain pan under the front of it there. Catch my fluid. Take this last bolt out. We got it out of there. If this wasn't just done, might be some gaskets stuck in this area that you'll have to clean off. But I just put a new one on this one, so there's no gasket stuck. I'm going to try to wipe all the fluid I can, so I know it's nice clean fluid, if any fluid, sitting on that plate surface, and then put a new one on it. I'm not going to let it drain all the way out though. Always use the new gasket. It comes with one. Here's the new gasket. There's going to be these little dowels, one of which you don't use. So this one right here is going to get pushed up into the, you can tap it down now if you want. What's that?
I don't even use the these things.
That's 20 long to go. Oh, yeah, I don't want to line. You're right,
I don't like these.
Make sure you got an O-ring on there, guys. Alright, I'm just gonna see if it works now. This is the issue on that problem where you put it in drive and it kill the motor. Turns out Dodge puts holes for check balls that don't need check balls, and I misplaced a check ball when I was putting the valve body together. I'm not perfect. I'll admit it when I make a mistake. So I misplaced the check ball. That caused it to kill the engine while I was in drive. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna stick a couple videos up over here. Check them out. I'd appreciate it. Best way to support my channels, hit that subscribe button, guys. All right, guys, thanks for watching. On to the next one.